Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel Glossips. So excuse the hair, but today I'm going to be teaching you guys a very simple smoky eye makeup look. So you guys can see I don't have any makeup on and I'm going to be using the Jacklyn Hill palette today. And this is the original one, we'll link it down in the description from where did I get it. Now I'm taking this shade and I'm just going to build up the crease. Now just taking some black on my finger and putting it on. That's it. I'm just going to blend it in properly and nicely. There's no rocket science to this. Do you see how easy it is? Now I'm taking the Precious Metals by Luscious Cosmetics. This is a shimmery sort of an eyeshadow topper and I just put it to enhance the black. Now this color is for the lower lash line. I'm just going to quickly lash line it and fill in some kajal or kohl pencil, whatever. Now this is the main part and this is by the Anastasia Glow Kit. Now I'm just going to line my eyes really nicely, and this is the Miniso Eye Liner that I purchased, by the way. We'll be linking everything down in the description box. Now this mascara I'm in love with. Now of course every time you're gonna have a lot of fallout, so remember to do your eyes first then your skin. So there was a lot of fallout in this palette, so yeah, I removed it all with a makeup remover. Now starting off with this serum right here. This is a 24K Gold Serum by Beautify by Amna. I'm just going to quickly apply it because after applying this and the primer, this one right here, these two make my makeup melt in on my skin like butter. Using the LA Pro foundation and now the concealer, I skipped the steps so that you guys can just focus on what I'm doing. Now I'm just going to set in the concealer using these shades right here. Eventually I used the yellow one, but okay. So I did that and now I'm going to be setting the rest of the face using the bronzer. Now is the time for the highlighter. This is also the same highlighter that I used for my inner corner, which is the Anastasia Glow Kit. Now this is basically a lipstick that I borrowed from my friend. It is from a local Pakistani company called Kathleen and I'm in love with it. So yeah, can you see how amazing this looks? So I'm done with this tutorial right here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it was a short one, but anyway, don't forget to subscribe. Bye.